All right, so we've been talking about, so far we've done area, which we spent a great deal of time on. Perimeter, we didn't spend much time on because that's really a fifth grade standard, but we did talk about how a perimeter is like a fence. It makes a straight line. An area, any kind of area, is made up of squares, so it's a two-dimensional thing. We can think of a rug, or we took some three-dimensional shapes, we laid them flat, found their nets, and then found the surface area of those. So we've done all of that, and now we're going to come to volume. So volume is like what it takes to fill something up. You can think of a pool filled with water. That's the kind of problem that a volume problem is. So we're going to work on that today, but we're going to start with something a little bit easy, and that is we're going to build some things with blocks. So I'd like for you to take those blocks that you have, and I want you to create this shape out of your blocks. So take a minute to do that. All right, so if you made it correctly, which it looks like most of you did, you have two sections that are 3 high, and then one that is 2 high. So I think everybody looks like you've got it. Now, one way that we can calculate volume is by simply counting the number of cubes that we have, because that would give us the volume. Now, before we do that, let's just talk for a second about those cubes. So each one of these cubes is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So each one is 1 cubed centimeter, okay? So when you count them, you can count them by cubed centimeters. So count how many cubed centimeters you have in your shape, and raise your hand when you have an answer. Count how many cubed centimeters you have, and raise your hand when you have an answer. All right, Riley, how many you got? 16. Very good. It is made up of 16. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. It is made of 16 cubes. And when we're writing volume, whenever we're working with volume, this is important, we call it centimeters cubed because it's not in a straight line. It's not two-dimensional like area would be. It's three-dimensional. So because it's a three-dimensional shape, it's cubed. So that means it needs to have a little 3 at the end of it because it's made up of 1 centimeter cubes. Okay? All right, take that shape apart. I've got another one I want you to build. Okay, create this shape. Okay, so we can count the blocks, or you can look at it and see that the front has 7, and the back has 1 row of 5 and another row of 5, so that gives us a row of 10, which is a total of 17 centimeters squared. All right, so sometimes you're going to do them without being able to count. So if we look at the first step, this section right here, it's made up of 8 blocks because it's 4 and 4. So let's look at the next one, this one right here. So this is how many blocks that way? It's 4 that way, but it's got another 4 underneath it, right? So it's a total of 8. So that's another 8 blocks. Let's look at this one. It's how many this way? 4. And how many this way? 3. So 4 times 3 is? 12. And then this one is 4 this way, and how many this way?
4.
Another 4. So that's a total of 16. Okay, so now we've written down an area for volume for each part of it. So now all we have to do is add them together. So 16 plus 12 plus 8 plus 8. Anybody know what that is?
44.
Good, it's 44. And they are centimeters cubed, 44 centimeters cubed. So all we did was add each section of it. And we have to assume that because they're not showing us the back of this, that it doesn't look any different on the back, because they would show us if it did. Okay? All right, and I've got one more thing to talk to you about, because you're going to get to some today where you have this situation. Instead of them showing, that's really dark, instead of them showing you the blocks where they're broken up, they're just going to tell you that this is 3 that way, this is 4 that way, and this is 5 that way. So I'm going to show you a little shortcut. You ready for it? To find the volume of this kind, Let me change colors so you can see it. To find the volume of this kind, we're simply going to multiply the 3 together. 3 times 4 times 5. Anybody know what that is? 3 times 4 times 5?
16.
I'm sorry, what?
16.
Oh, I thought you said 16. Okay, 60 centimeters, and they are what? Cubed. Very good. 60 centimeters cubed. So you're going to see some of those in a minute where they are going to only give you the length of each one. Okay? All right, now,